We all had played with wind kites in our childhood, and it is a fun toy to play around. What if we told you that this kite can move a big cargo ship across the seas with nothing but power of high wind it gets? To deliver goods around the globe, cargo ships need to travel thousands of miles every day and burn an insane amount of fuel, nearly up to 400 tons a day, enough to fuel around 1,000 cars. But this fuel isn't an ordinary one. It's known as a bunker fuel, a tar-like liquid every ship in the world uses because of its cheap price. But this price comes with a heavy downside: it's highly toxic and dirty. A single can pollute the equivalent of 50 million cars in a single day. So how can we make them more clean? Well, this French startup found an innovative method to sail. This is a Sea Wing, a 5,400 square foot kite system installed on a $30 million cargo ship that's going to sail back and forth. It reduces the pollution up to 20% of the ship and saves lots of fuel. This works like this. When a ship enters international water, the parafoil kite can be deployed with the touch of a single button. It then emerges from storage, the mast unfolds, and allows the kite to rise up to 900 feet above sea level. This is a preferable altitude to catch strong winds and gets the most power to tow the next port. The entire process of mast rising and then folding back takes anything from 10 to 20 minutes. The kite itself has an aerodynamic shape that is better inflated by the wind, a shape widely used by NASA and SpaceX when it comes to landing their ships safely. To get the most power, the kite moves in a figure-of-8 pattern. It can be changed, however, as the system constantly monitors weather conditions and determines the best routes with no delays. And for the safety of the kite, the sailcloth is made up of synthetic materials, so when it rains it'll be perfectly fine. The rope is also synthetic, but here's the catch. While the kite tows the ship, it makes it slower to sail, but still burns 33% less fuel. And the kite doesn't replace the engine entirely. The ship still needs the engine power to dock into the harbor. But this system isn't only for sails. It's also an alternative to wind turbines. Building a turbine requires lots of hard work and materials.